I don't think I had a true understanding of the fact that I was living paycheck to paycheck. And so you don't count for that possibility of something happening, say like a work injury or getting ill.
Never thought
And then
about
you
it.
still think that you're going to get the paycheck, but you're not.
Yeah. With me, it was an injury. I got injured and I got put behind the 8 ball and just struggled. Yourself?
I got sick and stopped working, and I had a good job. Used to do a good lifestyle, but the income wasn't coming in like it was before, but I still tried to keep up that lifestyle. It was the wrong thing to do.
I can feel that pain, that's for sure.
But I didn't want to talk to anybody. I was embarrassed.
How shameful it makes people feel.
Financial problems is nothing that people talk
Everybody
about,
goes through, but
right?
nobody talks about it.
No, nobody. So I dealt with this for about 6 months on my own, and I drove myself crazy. And I said, I got to do something about this because I can't handle it anymore. So when I saw the commercial about David Sklar Associates, I thought, I have to do this.
We're blessed that we followed through that commercial. How many people see that commercial and not act on it? You know, and look at the difference it's made in the three of our lives. You have to find help.
One thing that I learned from David Sklar Associates was learning to distinguish between needs and wants. I was given a blank sheet. The top line said income, and the second line said expenditure. The only way you're going to learn how much you actually spend is if you complete this form every single month.
To live debt-free in Toronto, we really got to track our expenses.
You'll be very surprised to learn where your money's actually going.
For sure.
You know, you have a cup of coffee and a croissant and you don't think about it, and then suddenly you go back and you look and you see $47 for the month.
Doesn't take long to add up, right?
No.
If you don't track your spending habits, then you're going to fall back. Yeah. But with having a game plan and a light at the end of the tunnel, it makes a world of difference.
I don't think if I didn't go to David Sklar Associates, there was any way I was going to be able to get out of my mess.
Oh, me too. You feel alone out there, but knowing that there's a place to go to, man, it saved my life. It really did. It made a big difference for me.
If you had to have got bailed out,
then you just right back into it again.
You would, within 6 months, be back in exactly the same position, because what you haven't changed is your behavior.
That's right.
And that's what this is. It's an absolute behavior change. That's what people are trained for at David Sklar. They're trained to get your mindset right, and once your mindset is right, everything else comes absolutely naturally.
That's right.
The way I look at it is, if there's something wrong with my car, I don't get under the hood and start meddling around. I take it to a professional. So why would I not take my debt to a professional?
Absolutely. Good point.